Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. Today we are going to be doing a reading on what do you need to hear right now. So what is necessary, what necessary guidance, what messages you need to hear right now are there in the piles. All you need to do is close your eyes, think about your current situation, and then open your eyes and choose whichever pile you're guided to. You can choose more than one if you are guided to. You all can pause the video right now and choose the pile you wish to. Till then I'll tell you that the gold stag, this beautiful gold stag, is your pile 1, the red one is the second pile, and the silver stag is the third pile. So you all can take your time. Till then I'm going to start with the gold pile. Let's see what do you need to hear right now if you have chosen this gold stag. Okay, play. Okay, so you all have been guided to take out some time to celebrate, to relax, to give yourself time and have some fun. Instead of, don't be serious all the time. That's what you are being guided to. Akasha. So your second card is your guidance is divinely guided. If you are being guided to do something, it's from the divine. So you do not need to question anything. You do not need to be so serious. Okay, birthing a new age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. So there's a new lifetime coming for you. There is a new world, new life coming for you, and you are being guided to not do anything immediately, because the next card is no. Okay, if I could come close and show you, I would show you this clearly. No is the card, and a thing written over here is wait, postpone, say no, pause. Okay, if you all want to do something and it's not working out for you and you're getting quite serious, you're getting anxiety, or feeling that why are my things getting stuck, that's because something new is coming on for you and you are required to wait. This is not the thing for you, and you have to say no to it. You have to wait for a new things to change according to you, and you are being divinely guided to relax right now. Also, let's see boundaries, where you need to establish better boundaries. Yeah, why you need to say no is because people are maybe using you for their good, or you are being used, and for a particular some work to be done, they want you to do it for them, or they are draining you. So say no to people if you are being feeling drained. Say no to people if you don't want to do that task and it is a burden to you. Just set your boundaries and learn to say no and relax, have fun, celebrate. Okay, again I see the crumbling, what you are clinging on to. Maybe it's you who are doing a lot of things for people because you want them to stay in your life. Okay, and this is what you are guided to say no to. And you are guided to have fun, you are guided to give yourself the energy. See how there's this cup of water and this female is having a nice time, and the beautiful sun is shining. So this is what you are guided to do. Okay, transformation, things are changing at a deep cellular level, deep healing. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. A new age is coming for you. You are being healed. Your DNA is being repaired. There are certain things that you are getting more spirituality. So you do not have to do something that you do not like. Okay, so this is what you need to hear right now if you have chosen the golden pile. Let's move on and let's see what you need to hear if you have chosen the red pile. Okay, so this is the red stag, and let's see what. Trust in the nickel. If there is some intuition that is telling you about certain thing that is going to happen to you, okay, you are guided to listen to it. If you feel that weird feeling within you that something wrong is going to happen, then don't avoid it. Okay, so that is what I'm being guided to tell you. And then the ever folding rose, it's happening for you, not to you. So if you have chosen the red pile, whatever is happening for you, like may it be good, may it be bad, it is for your better, it's for your ascension, and it is for your good life in the future. So don't feel like a victim. Okay, that is what I would like to tell you. Again, the soul family, like you are being called to, guided to call up your guardian angels, to call, you know, the divine for help, to call the universe for help, whomever you believe. You are being called to, you know, ask for help. You do not have to do each and everything alone in your life. You could call on to your soul family if you need help, and they are always available for you. Those beautiful lovely angels, divine, they are always there for you to help you and guide you whenever you need them. Okay, star mother, how can you mother yourself? So this is what I'm seeing. Reparenting is required over here. Okay, so if you have had some issues in the childhood or whatever, it happened for your good, not it wasn't. Or if even you feel that something wrong is happening to you or is going to happen, it's going to happen so that you learn to heal yourself from within. You learn to heal your inner child, you heal your wounds, and to become positive again. You are being called to step up and lead. Now see, all this has happened because you're supposed to become a leader of certain sense. You're supposed to guide people. So all this happened to you to make you the beautiful person, to make you the divine guide that your life purpose was. Okay, so over here it's who or what is triggering you. Mirror. So there are people around you mirroring you and telling you what you need to heal. Okay, so it's not whatever they are doing, they are showing you the reflection of what is within you that needs to go, that needs to heal, that needs work. So you are being guided from that way. Okay, get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitive, connect with nature. So what I see over here for you is, y'all are called to meditate, y'all are called, okay, to connect to nature, and y'all are called to y'all are empaths. So that is what I'm seeing. Maybe this is the reason why you need a lot of healing to become the priestess, because you are supposed to heal and guide others. You are supposed to help others in achieving their goals. So this is just a process you are going through so that you can become the future high priestess. Okay, so let's go on to the next pile. Maybe you are an empath and you are being told to heal all that negativity that is coming to you from others. Okay, others are showing you that what is less in you, what needs healing. So don't take that personally and go within and try to correct that self within you, because that will help you to become the person you are required to become. That will help you to align to your life goals. Okay, so let's go on and let's take the silver stag. Okay, so if you all have chosen this beautiful silver stag, let's see what do you need to hear right now. And silver has a lot of cards, I should tell you. Awakening. So you are being awakened. Okay, you are being getting energetic upgrades. Okay, so I see a lot of triggers coming for you. The age of light, you have been training this for lifetimes, so what I see over here, you are now receiving the codes for which you were preparing yourself for many lifetimes. Okay, you are awakening now. And the initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. Okay, so now is the time for you to come out of this cave and face the north. Okay, face the light, face the awakening, and this was what you were supposed to be. Okay, and you are training for this. You are training to become a mass spiritual person. You are training to become a mass spiritual master. That's what I get. The Hierophant, you are training to become that. And don't dim to fit in. Okay, if you look different than others, if there are qualities in you which make you always stand out of the crowd, you are required to not dim to fit in. Okay, you don't have to try to make yourself what you are not. Try to analyze how you are dimming your light in order to fit in with some other people. People also try to let you down so that they can look better. So you have to make sure that you do not listen to anything and follow anything that makes you a part of them. You are unique, you accept it, you like it, and you take those special qualities that are within you and help them take those qualities and help those people who need your help. But you don't try to become one of them. Try to help them to become one of you. Okay, take a break. Life's work, not okay. So if you're continuously trying to practice spirituality, you're continuously trying to do this or the other spiritual work, you're now guided to take a break, because this is the work of your lifetime. You have to do this for the entire life, or this lifetime. So you are not required to do all at once. Go slowly. Okay, do it part by part. You are already doing it. Stop overthinking and keep facing your true north. So what you were supposed to do in your life, what your life goal was, you are already doing it. Okay, so just keep on following that direction and you will reach your destination. Pleiades, double mission, channeling and uplifting humanity. Okay, so you are a star seed. This somewhat confirms it over here, and you have a double mission on earth. One is to channel messages from the divine, from the spirits, from angels, and help to uplift humanity and give these messages to the people and help them to awaken as well. Okay, you are getting those downloads because you are from the star family and they are giving you those uploads. So I could see that maybe at night you stay awake, you have sleepless nights. It's not because you have insomnia, no, not at all. It's because you are getting those energetic codes which is too high for you and which does not allow you to sleep. Protection, call back your powers, cut the cords, and soul retrieval. So you are required to cut your cords from toxic people in your life and call back all your power to you. Okay, whatever energy and power you have given away to people, and that's the reason why you don't feel good. You feel drained all the time because you have given all your positivity to others and you have given the power of and control of your life to others. So you have to call back that. And again I see a deep replenishment, retreat, rest, and be held. So again you need a lot of healing over here. What I see, you need lots of healing. You need to take care of your health, you need to take care of yourself, you need to sleep well, you need to relax well. Okay, and you don't need to keep on rushing because you are already there where you wished to be. And now it's to build on what you have created. Now is not the time to sit and create something new. That's not what you are here for. You have already created the base, you just have to work on it and you can go slow. Okay, so this is what I have for the silver stack. I hope you all liked my reading. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video from me in the future. Thank you and bye.